from the dead.
He was 12th on the first lap, now up to 8th. Two of the fastest riders here tonight that I expected would contend for the win. But this start has really set them back here. And Muscan and Dungey out front with a clear track.
Kennard on the 41 behind Arrache. He'll follow him to the high line as they try to get around Porcel. Boy, look at all the traffic in front of him, too. Try to pick your way through here.
Porcel gets by Freezy.
Roczen looking to do the same here as he comes to the inside and just sails past Vince Freezy.
Yeah, Kennard right here. He's looking like Freezy's next on his list. He gets by Freezy.
Roczen certainly very quick here tonight, but that start is really going to hinder him as Pike and Stewart are fighting just in front of them. That's over 10th, and Pike is now in front of James.
Roczen has not been able to get past Porcel. And watch the line that Porcel takes right here. He double singles in that rhythm section and then takes the inside and inside here as he tries to pass Stewart. Can't get to drive down the start straight. Is he going to lose the spot? Possibly lose the spot here, yes.
Here's Anderson. He's in the black and yellow riding gear. He's closing in on Brayton. That would be for fourth. Anderson is third in the championship standings. Dungey, of course, a points leader over Roczen and Anderson. Seeley's fourth, Reed is fifth in the title fight.
Boy, that wall jump right there really starting to get chewed up on the backside where they're accelerating down. And Anderson squares up Brayton. They come together. Brayton holds the spot.
Anderson tries to cut back inside under the finish line jump. Who's better for the whoops? Looks like Brayton.
Wow, Brayton had a great line on the left side of the whoops. He just sailed through there effortlessly.
Brayton's had a very good night on that BTO KTM.
Here comes Seeley, makes the move on Millsaps.
Yep, and he moves through. Cole Seeley now up into sixth. Seeley doesn't look like Millsaps is done with him, though.
Seeley, last time around, had your third fastest lap, even though he's passing riders in the middle of the pack.
How about a battle for the lead? Muscan looking for career win number 1 as his teammate, the reigning champion, closing.
Well, and Muscan